If you have been sleeping on Dove body lotions because to you they seem too basic, then as someone that have used lots of Dove products since 2020, which makes it exactly 6 years of me being consistent with this particular brand, I am here to tell you that this is what you actually need for that your skin to glow up. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're an OG or a subscriber, okay, or a returning viewer, welcome to another video. And please do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Subscribing to this channel is absolutely free, because over here you're going to learn the products that your skin actually needs. Over here, we do healthy skincare products that are supposed to help your skin to improve naturally with time. So it have come to my notice that most of you underrate Dove body lotions. Before I dive into rating the 5 body lotions from Dove that would help to brighten up your skin if you have a fair skin, I would want to tell you this: if your skin is not hydrated or properly moisturized, then there is no how your skin will glow up or your skin will get brighter. Moisturized and a hydrated looking skin equals to a healthier and a glowy skin. But a dry and a flaky skin equals to a skin that will just be ashy and flaky. Your skin will not glow up. Your skin will be looking dehydrated and ashy. So ashy that you'll be wondering if you are doing the right thing. So that is the reason why I am going to be recommending these amazing body lotions from Dove that would help to brighten up your skin and also help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and just make your skin to be, you know, glowy and looking so soft. Okay, I have made a video, countless videos on Dove products for you to see that I am a Dove lover. Okay, if you scroll down to my channel from when I started this channel, I have made multiple videos talking about Dove body lotions and how they have helped me to glow up in the past. And it came to my notice that I've not really talked about Dove this 2026, and I came here to plug you on the 5 amazing Dove body lotions that you can use on your skin. If this kind of video is a video that you're interested to watch, then sit back, let's dive into rating the Dove body lotions proper. So the very first Dove body lotion I'm going to recommend for you in this video, if you want to have a hydrated, a moisturized, and a glowy skin, will have to be the particular one from Dove, okay, which is the Dove Restoring Care for Dry Skin. Okay, if you have a dry skin and you're looking for that particular body lotion that would help to moisturize, hydrate, and plump up your skin, then I will recommend the Restoring Care. Just as the name says, it will help to restore the hydration that your skin has been lacking in the past. Its 2 main ingredients are coconut oil and almond milk. The coconut oil would help to lock in moisture and make sure that your skin is not losing hydration in any way possible, while the almond milk will nourish your skin and give you that plump looking, fresh, soft skin that your skin deserves to have. The one thing is for you to get a Dove body lotion. Another thing is for you to get the original Dove body lotion. I have said previously in my videos, okay, how to spot a fake Dove body lotion. But one thing I want to tell you is that once you shop from Skintrest, you are shopping nothing but the original Dove body lotion. In fact, this store, okay, always have Dove body lotions as its bestseller, because we sell nothing but the original. When you buy from this store and use it and buy from another vendor, then you would see the difference in the Dove. Okay, this particular lotion is very hydrating, so soft, so calming, and it will help your skin to glow up in the fastest way possible. So if you want to restore your skin, I would recommend you go for the Restoring Care from Dove. The second one I'm going to be recommending in this video, which is my absolute favorite, will have to be the Dove Invigorating Care. Okay, I have been using a particular one for up to 2 years on a stretch, okay, before it's, you know, started becoming a bit scarce. But like I said, Skintrest has all of this in her store. The particular one contains 2 significant ingredients, which are avocado oil and candula extract. And the avocado oil would help to lock in moisture, proper moisture on your skin. If you want to glow up, okay, and you want to glow up on a tight budget, this is the one that I always recommend anytime, any day. Okay, even when my clients say, Amara, pick any Dove and put for me, if I have this in my store, or I add it into their cart, because this is so good. This would help to hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, and just give you that beautiful glass skin to look like I'm spending so much money on your body care products. This particular one is for all skin types, whether you are a dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, normal skin, you can use this particular Dove body lotion. So if you know that you don't want to do any guesswork, you just want to get the one that will fit your skin type, then I would recommend you go for the Dove Invigorating Care. Your skin will definitely love it. The third Dove body lotion I'm going to recommend for you have to be the Dove Pampering Care. Okay, this particular one has been my absolute favorite because it pampers my skin, just as the name says, pampering. Okay, this particular one is for dry skin, although naturally I am not a dry skin person, but like I said, any of these Dove body lotions that you can get, as long as you're getting the original one from Skin Trust, you are definitely going to enjoy using that Dove body lotion on your skin. It is formulated with shea butter and vanilla. Okay, I love the way it makes my skin to smell, okay, when I apply it on my skin, because it contains shea butter that would help to lock in extra moisture on my skin, making sure that my skin does not lose its natural hydration and moisture. And then it also contains vanilla, which will make me to just smell heavenly, smell like a girl that knows what she's doing. Do you get? And this particular one is so suitable for all skin types, although let's say it's for dry skin, but like I used to say, it is for all skin types. But if you have a dry skin, you want that one Dove product that would lock in moisture on your skin, I would highly recommend this because of the shea butter that it contains. You see, one thing I'm sure about this particular one is that it pampers your skin. So if you are in for pampering, I recommend that you go for the Dove Pampering Care. The next Dove body lotion I'm going to recommend for you have to be this one from the Dove Light Care. Okay, if you want to glow like a light, you want to be illuminous, you want your skin to be like glass, then I would recommend that you go for the Light Care. The Light Care is for all skin types as well, whether you are dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, any kind of skin that you have, you can use the particular one. It hydrates and absorbs quickly with soft, instant, refreshed skin. It is going to give you that soft skin that you're hoping to achieve. This one contains ceramide and also glycerin, and ceramide would help to make sure that your skin barrier is not broken in the first place. And just should in case your skin barrier is already broken, this is one of the Dove body lotions that I always recommend to my clients that are battling with skin barrier issue. Okay, this would help to restore your skin barrier on track and also prevent your skin barrier from being broken in the first place. It also contains glycerin, which means your skin is in for a proper pampering. Okay. This one is the Light Care. So if you are struggling with a skin barrier that is broken, I would highly recommend that you grab the Dove Light Care today. The last but not the least Dove body lotion that can help you to glow up as a light skin person and help to nourish your skin will have to be the particular one from the Dove Glowy Care. Okay, this is the glowing care, just as the name says, glowing. Once you lay your hands on the particular Dove body lotion, you are going to be glowing up. If you're not ready to glow up, then do not get this particular one, because you are going to glow up most definitely. This particular one is for all skin types, and it contains lotus flower extract and rice milk, and the rice milk helps to give you that nourished, Korean kind of skin vibes that your skin deserves. It also contains the lotus flower extract, which would help to also nourish and hydrate your skin so well. It is for all skin types, and any skin type or complexion can use this particular Dove body lotion from Glowing Care. In conclusion, any of these Dove body lotions that you're going to lay your hands on, you are not going to be regretting it. You are definitely going to get the worth of your money times 2. Like, I can bet you that your skin is going to be nourished, your skin is going to be hydrated, your skin is going to be super glowy and super soft. And they retail for 7,500 naira at Skin Trust store. The number to DM them on WhatsApp will be in the description box. They sell all authentic skincare products, and I bet you if you grab your Dove body lotion from Skin Trust, you are never going to get Dove body lotions from any other store. I bet you. Remember that consistency is key, and also patience is key. When you are doing your skincare routines, you don't just expect them to work like magic. Okay, so if you have watched a particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube, and drop your thoughts in the comment section telling me what you think about this particular video. And if you're a Dove girly, I want you to tell me the variant that you are using. Let us us connect in the comment section. Or if you have any question asking me, you want to be sure of the one to get for your skin type, then you can just drop a question in the comment section. I always reply to my comments. You guys already know. And until next time, my loves, remember to shop from Skin Trends and stay glowy, and bye.